walk if I make it to the lyrics. This is Listen.
Listen to the song here in my heart, a melody I stopped but can't complete. Listen to the sound from deep within. It's only beginning to find relief.